of the following transaction in the books of Ramesh? Write the heading journal entry of Ramesh. First one, 2000 April 1. Cash purchase 15,000 and cash sales 14,000. Now there are two separate transactions, we cannot combine, so we have to write it separate. Likho 2014. April 1. First we write cash purchase. What comes in? Goods comes in. So purchase account debit. Amount is 15,000. 2. Cash goes out. Cash account credit 15,000. B. Goods purchase. On 1st April again, cash sales 14,000. So what comes in? Cash. Cash account debit 14,000 to sales account 14,000 being goods sold for cash. If what? A personal goods of 10,000 bought into the business. So what is this?
Capital.
Capital. Okay. April 5. Goods comes in. Goods account debit. Amount is 10,000. Owner is bringing. So to capital account 10,000. Being personal goods bought in the business. Goods of 12,000 purchased from Harsh. Is this a cash or a credit transaction? Credit transaction. Okay. What comes in? Goods comes in. So purchase account debit. 12,000 to Harsh account. 12,000 being goods purchased from Harsh. Out of goods purchased due to defective goods, half goods returned to Harsh. So who is the receiver? Harsh is the receiver. Transaction dated 10. Harsh account debit. Half of the goods. So 6,000 goods goes out, but they are going out as what? Purchase return. So to purchase return account. Being defective goods returned to Harsh. Goods of 10,000 purchased from Ramila and half amount paid by check. Now, we purchase goods of 10,000. So first effect, purchase account debit. 10,000. How much amount we are paying to Ramila? 5,000. We are paying by check. So money goes from our bank account. So bank is the giver. Credit the giver 5,000. And remaining 5,000 we have to still pay to Ramila. So to Ramila account. Okay. Next. B. Goods. Being goods purchased from Ramila and paid half amount by check. Next one is important, 15th one. Please ध्यान देना. Goods purchased from Ramila sold to Mita after adding 30% profit at 10% trade discount. Now, first of all, we need to do some working. Now, I'll do the working over here. So it is there in your record. 15. कितने का goods खरीदा? What's the cost of goods what we purchased? 10,000. ध्यान दो please. We purchased goods of rupees 10,000. Are you all able to see? Okay. Now, from this 10,000 we added a profit. What is the profit rate? 30% profit. So 3,000 we have added over here. So we should sell these goods on 13,000. But when the person comes to buy, we say we will give you a trade discount. Discount given at the time of buying or selling of goods is known as trade discount. Please ध्यान देना. We have very typical sums on this. Now, trade. Trade means what? Trading यानी क्या? Trading means buying and selling. So discount given at the time of trade or at the time of buying or selling of goods is known as trade discount. So what we do, 13,000 जो है उसमें से we deduct 10% TD, that is trade discount. So it comes to 1,300. What we get is 11,700. Understood this? See, अभी sale चल रहा है, sale season. You know, sale season is on. Wherever you go, you will see sale 10%, 20%, 30%. Say for example, if you are buying some goods for rupees 20,000 and it is written 20% discount. So this discount is deducted 20% from the bill. Now how much you have to pay? 16,000. Understood this? Similarly over here, we deduct the trade discount. ध्यान देना please. So 11,700 is your sales price or is your net sales price. यानी bill जो बनाओगे वो बनेगा for 11,700. Understood this all of you? Now you can directly do this on the calculator, but don't do it. You always write this working and do this. That's why I've written it over here as a part of your sum. Okay? Here लिख लो, then we write the entry. Once again, cost is 10,000. फिर से एक बार मेरी तरफ से ध्यान दो. Cost is 10,000. हमने 10,000 में खरीदा. उसके ऊपर हमने 30% profit add किया. So 13,000 हुआ. Basically, our sales price is 13,000, but the person said, I want discount. So we agreed to give 10% trade discount. So we'll deduct it. So what's the final or the net sales price? 11,700. This working is very important. Please do it systematically because इससे related आगे और complicated transactions will come. Now, how much amount of bill we are going to raise? 13,000 or 11,700? Final bill amount will be 11,700. Understood this? Now we are selling it to Meeta. So Meeta is the receiver. In continuation with this, 2014 April, Meeta account debit 11,700 to sales account 11,700. Being goods sold to Meeta at the rate 10% trade discount. Now next one, 18th code. Meeta return goods of 1,000. What comes in? Goods comes in. जो बेचा था वो वापस आ गया. So it is known as sales return. How much amount? 1,000. To who is the giver? Meeta is the giver. Credit the giver. Being goods returned by Meeta. Twentieth. Goods of 20,000 sold to Kalpana at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Now, what is trade discount? ध्यान दो please. Trade discount is discount given at the time of buying and selling of goods. What is cash discount then? The word cash means cash आया या cash गया. So discount at the time of receipt or payment of money. Money means cash or check. Now what is happening? One discount is you purchase goods of 20,000, you got 20% trade discount, 4,000. कितने का बिल बना? 16,000. Now you are supposed to take 16,000. Okay, once again 20,000 का goods है, उसमें 20% तुमने डिस्काउंट दिया, तो 16,000 का से फॉर एग्जांपल you are selling goods. Okay, now you are supposed to receive 16,000. Now सामने वाले ने कहा कि मैं 1 महीने बाद पैसा दूंगा, पर तुमने कहा नहीं, 1 महीना नहीं. If you pay within 1 week, I will give you a further discount of 10%. You understood this? You have to receive how much? 16,000. But to motivate the person to give you money early, you are saying I will give you further discount of 10%. So that discount, what you give extra for faster receipt of money, is known as cash discount. Understood this? Okay. Right now, in this transaction, goods of 20,000 sold to Kalpana at 10% trade discount, 5% cash discount. Is Kalpana giving us any money? So अभी cash discount का कोई effect आएगा नहीं. वो कब आएगा? When Kalpana will give the money. Understood this? Okay, we'll see it later. Now, for this transaction, I'll do a working again. कितने का goods put goods sell कर रहे हैं हम 20,000, so I'll say sales is 20,000 minus what is the trade discount? 10% trade discount, that is 2,000. So 80,000. Can I say it's my net sales value? How much money we have to receive from Kalpana? 18,000. So Kalpana is the receiver. Kalpana account debit 18,000 to goods goes up. Sales account 18. Transaction dated 20. Do this working over here only as a part of the entry. In exam, you don't need to do it over here, you will do it in rough. But right now in the class, in your homework, तो एंट्री के साथ ही करना so that तुम्हें पता चले कैसे वर्किंग होता है, कैसे अमाउंट आए. Being sold goods to Kalpana at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Goods of 2,000 destroyed by fire and insurance company admitted a claim of rupees 1,000. Now what is this insurance company admitting a claim? Now whenever fire took place at your premises, goods of 2,000 got destroyed. So you put up a claim with the insurance company कि 2,000 के goods destroyed हो गए. फिर insurance company will assess the situation, they will come and check and they will say कि okay 2,000 का तुम बोल रहे हो कि goods destroy हो गए पर हम सिर्फ 1,000 का ही claim approve कर रहे हैं. समझ में आया? तुम्हारा vehicle भी अगर accident से damage हो जाता है तो there is an estimate given by the workshop. Estimate will say कि 15,000 का expense है, फिर वो surveyor आएगा, वो सब check करेगा, फिर वो बोलेगा कि 15,000 नहीं, हम इसमें से सिर्फ 10,000 का ही claim pass करेंगे. समझ में आई? Now over here, insurance company the moment is admitting a claim and then they are accepting that yes, in future we are going to give you rupees 1,000. Understood this? So can I say the moment insurance company accepts a claim, I have a right to receive that money from the insurance company? Yes. Okay. So first effect is insurance company accepted a claim, receiver of claim. So insurance company account debit. Amount is 1,000. Let me do it first. So insurance company से हमें 1,000 लेना है. Insurance company is the receiver of claim. So we debit insurance company account by 1,000. Now कितने का goods destroy हुआ? 2,000. 1,000 insurance company से मिल जाएगा. 1,000 का क्या हुआ? Loss. So we write loss by fire account debit 1,000. To goods goes out of the goods which we had purchase. So purchase account credit 2,000. Understood the entry? Read the transaction once again. Goods of 2,000 got destroyed by fire and insurance company accepted a claim of rupees 1,000. So you are incurring a loss of rupees 1,000. Debit the loss. So the effects are insurance company receiver, debit the receiver, loss by fire, debit the loss, and goods goes out. Goods of rupees 2,000 goes out. They are those goods which we had purchased earlier. So we credit purchase account. Write the narration. Being goods of rupees 2,000 destroyed by fire and insurance company accepted claim of rupees 1000. An insurance company accepted claim of rupees 1000. Very important transaction to also come in 12. Now, goods of 500 ruined in rain. 200 are realized by selling it. Now, 500 के goods destroy हो गए, rain में खराब हो गए. उसके सामने कितना मिल रहा है तुम्हें? 200 rupees. So what comes in? Cash comes in. So first effect, cash account debit 200. कितने का loss हुआ? 300 का loss. So loss due to rains. Account debit 300. And to goods goes out. So purchase account. How much? 5. Understood the entry? B. Goods ruined in rain and rupees 200 realized on sale of it. And rupees 200 realize करना यानी 200 में बेच दिया, 200 का कैश मिला. 27 ट्रांजैक्शन क्या एंट्री आएगा? Goods of 300 received as free samples, non-economic transaction. लिखो 27 non-economic transaction. It is a non-economic transaction. Any doubt? Okay. 29. Goods of 250 was received as free sample, sold for 400. Is this a transaction?
Yes.
Okay. This transaction is for sales. So लिखो entry cash account debit 29. Cash account debit. What amount? What amount? 250 or 400? 400. 400. To sales. 400. Being free samples sold for rupees 400. Being free samples sold for rupees 400. Now 30th is a very interesting transaction similar to barter system जो पहले था. Let's read this. A mobile of 1500 purchased against exchange of goods of rupees 1000. Now, ध्यान देना please. मोबाइल मैंने खरीदा 1500 का और मैंने गुड्स कितने के दिए? Okay. Now, what will be the entry and with what amount? See, मेरे पास कोई गुड्स है. ध्यान दो. Try to understand the business concept out of it. ये गुड्स है. Okay. एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ. ये मैंने 1000 में खरीदा. ठीक है. अब मैं किसी दुकानदार के पास गया और मैंने बोला मुझे मोबाइल खरीदना है. तो उसने बोला मोबाइल दिखाया मुझे और मैंने पूछा कितने का है ये मोबाइल फोन? तो he said ये मोबाइल फोन is 1500. ये जो मोबाइल है ये 1500 का है. उसने मुझे कहा कि ये सर 1500 का मोबाइल है, आपको चाहिए? I said हाँ मुझे ये मोबाइल खरीदना है, पर मेरे पास कैश है नहीं. मेरे पास ये है. एक allow me or you speak. You were given a chance, but you did not. मेरे पास ये goods है, मैं ये goods तुम्हें दे देता हूँ, तुम मुझे ये मोबाइल दे दो. He said, okay sir, मुझे ये goods दे दो. तो मैंने ये goods दे दिया उसको और मैंने ये मोबाइल ले लिया. तो can I say ये जो मेरे goods थे, जो मैंने 1000 में खरीदे थे, इसका worth 1500 है. Can I say मुझे इसका 1500 worth instead of cash, I am getting a mobile phone of 1500. So the amount of entry will be with 1500. This goods of 1000 fetches 1500 for me. तुम्हें समझ में आया ये? Okay. Reverse situation लेते. Reverse. मेरे पास ये goods है 1500 रुपीस में मैंने खरीदा था. ठीक है? मैं लेके गया. मैंने बोला ये मोबाइल कितने का है? He said sir 1000 का है. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है ये 1000 का मोबाइल मैं लेने को तैयार हूँ पर मेरे पास कैश नहीं है. मेरे पास ये गुड्स है, तुम्हें चाहिए. मैंने कितने में खरीदा उससे कोई उसको फर्क पड़ता नहीं. He said okay सर मैं ये लेने को तैयार हूँ. तो ये जो मैंने 1500 में खरीदा था इसका सेल्स वैल्यू क्या हुआ? 1000. You understood this concept? So over here, whenever you are exchanging your goods with anything, the value of what comes in is the value of your transaction. So the amount over here will be 1500. Understood this? Okay. Write the entry. Transaction dated 30. Mobile account debit. $1,500 to sales account. 1,500. ऐसा होता है. OLX पे I have seen some advertisement where the people say I want to exchange my mobile phone. Okay, I have seen such advertisement कि I want to buy a iPhone in exchange of this Samsung Galaxy phone. तो जो प्राइस का iPhone मिल रहा है, can I say उतना मेरा जो existing phone है उसका sales value हो? You understood this, all of you? In short, what comes in उसका जो अमाउंट है that's the amount of your transaction. मेरे पास ये फोन है 13,000 रुपीस का पर इसको मैं दे के एक फोन जो 9,000 रुपीस का मार्केट से खरीद रहा हूँ तो कहने से इसका वैल्यू भी 9,000 ही हुआ मार्केट वैल्यू. All of you understood this? अब मैं ये फोन देख के कुछ खरीद रहा हूँ जिसका वैल्यू है 20,000 तो 20,000 कैश के बदले मैंने उसको ये फोन दिया तो इस मोबाइल का कीमत क्या हुआ? 20,000. Understood this? So in such transaction जितने का asset comes in उसका जो value है that will be the amount of transaction. That will be your sales value of the goods. Whether I purchase this for 1,000, whether I purchase this for 2,000, इसका sales value is now 1,500 क्योंकि 1,500 का ही कुछ मुझे उसके सामने मिल रहा है. Instead of cash, I am getting a mobile phone of 1,500. Write the narration. Being purchased mobile against exchange of goods. Against exchange of goods. सब खुद टोटल करो.